Well, before we started using GlacisTech Services, our previous service provider was experiencing a lot of turnover. We had 3 different account managers in the last 18 months of our contract. That created inconsistent activities, which required us to do a lot of QC of their work. GlacisTech provides the same services as our previous service provider. However, they're much more efficient, much more proactive. They're more of a partner. The changes we've experienced since moving to GlacisTech is they value documentation, which as a CPA firm, we value very much. Documenting gives you the ability to plan. When you plan, you stay ahead of things, you're proactive, and you avoid issues in the long run. The services we utilize GlacisTech for is network administration, server and workstation support, project planning, project implementation, onboarding, offboarding, and then most importantly, thought leadership, CIO leadership advisory services. GlacisTech has helped our business by being a great manager of our IT environment and network. That allows us to focus on what we do best, which is accounting. We're not Googling, we're not troubleshooting, trying to figure problems out. We have instant access to their help desk. They have far exceeded our expectations. The difference is we're planning things to accomplish versus reacting and putting out fires. This allows our accountants to be accountants and focus on accounting versus IT. A huge aha moment was when COVID hit and we were able to go home immediately and not skip a beat. GlacisTech had recommended that we do certain things in 2019 that we implemented. We spent the money using their thought leadership, and that has allowed us to not skip a beat, working from home. In fact, we've had the highest grossing volume year in firm history.